Adding a new item to an array. You can add a new item to the end of an array by using append. Type and run the following code. Add cooking oil to the end of the array. shoppingList.append cooking oil. Print shopping list. The array now has 3 items: eggs, milk, and cooking oil, and this can be seen in the result area. You can add a new, let's check out the result area now. You can add a new item at a particular index using insert. Type and run the following code. Add chicken at index 1 in the array. shoppingList.insert chicken at :1. Print shopping list. This inserts chicken at index 1. So now the array contains eggs, chicken, milk, and cooking oil. And this can be seen in the result area.